Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of pick up. You click on settings. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about pick up and you click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.